Now here we will study statistics definition in singular sense. In singular sense, statistics definition, statistics refers to statistical method. Statistics refers to statistical method in singular sense. So here we have these methods are regarding collection of data, organization of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of data. So in singular sense, statistics is taken to mean a statistical method or a statistical facts. So according to Croxton and Cowden, statistics may be defined as a science of collection, presentation, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. So this definition covers the following methods. Number one, collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation. What does it mean, collection of data? This is the first step in statistical inquiry. So the data should be collected by investigator himself or obtained from published data. Data are maybe of two type, published or unpublished sources. Number two is organized. Whatever data the investigator has collected, it need to be organized. The next step after collection of data, that is to organize the data, organize the collected data that is collected by the investigator, need to be organized according to the purpose of the inquiry. Number third is presentation. Data collected and organized are presented in some systematic manner. To make it clear for the user, it may be presented through table. For example, I have collected marks of students in business studies 90, ये भव्य, ये पूजन, and third one I have collected Krushi marks 80, 97. Okay, so whatever the data I have collected, it need to be organized in systematic way. Then it should be presented through graph. I can present how many marks got Bhavya, so it could be visible. I can present it through color also. And Poojan got 80 marks and Krushi got 97 marks. So now it is more clear than written paragraph. So I can express it through table, diagram, and graph. It can be used to present the data. Now the next step is analysis of data. I have collected this detail, Bhavya's marks, Poojan marks, and Krushi's marks. Okay, so now I can analyze. Analysis means I have to think about their result. Who has got more, who has got secured first position, who has secured second position, who has got third position. So that will be done through averages, that is mean, median, mode, dispersion, correlation, etc. Then last one is interpretation of data. Last is interpretation of data. So interpretation of data implies the drawing of conclusion on the basis of analysis of data. Here I will analyze the result, and then last on the basis of conclusions certain decision can be taken. Okay, their decision regarding result can be taken. Means school, suppose I am taking school result, so school has got uh, good result, or a school has got less result compared to other uh, previous year, or a school has got good result as compared to previous year.